I'm going to show you can save the game on schedule 1 in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I'm actually going to show you two different ways you can save the game on schedule 1. And the first one is if you have a property, like in my case I have the bungalow. So if you go inside your property, you can see there will be a save game option right here at the side of the door. So if you click there, it will automatically save your game in your game slot basically. But another method you can do if you don't have a property or if you are not in your house, you can do it from the console. So just go to the settings and enable the console right here. You need to have the white dot right here, and then you need to press the tilde key to toggle the console. If you don't have this key, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where I will show you how you can open the console if you don't have that key in your keyboard layout. So just open the console and type in save, and this will automatically save the game. As you can see at the top right, I'm gonna do it again. At the top right it says game saved. So that's the easiest way you can save your game on schedule. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.